Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about partial differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. First, if we want to find about the local points, we need to find f of s. That means we do first the derivative of the function with respect to s. So that means this one will be variable y just likely the number. So if we do first the derivative of this one, you got about 3s squared. This is about the number. So if we do first the derivative, you got about 0. First the derivative of s, you got about 2 with y in here. This one you got about negative number 4. This is about the number, so you will got about 0. Now let's do for fy. So this one will be the number, this one will be variable. So this one you will got about 0. This one you got about 2y. This one you got about 2s. This one you got about negative number 3. And now I will simplify. So later that we put into the system of equations. I will put negative number 3 on the right. That's why you got about positive number 3. I will put f of s and f of y equals to number 0. So we can find the solution of s and y. So I will put 2s go to the right and divide both sides by number 2. Next, I will put this one to replace for y, so we can find the solution of s. So we simplify and you got about 3 minus 2s. So this one, number 3 minus 4, you got about negative number 1. And now we have the solution. That's about s equals to number 1. And s equals to negative 1 over 3. After we get s equals to number 1, so we can put inside this equation in here. And to find the value of y, this one you will got about 1 over 2. This one you will get about, we put negative 1 over 3 going here. That's about 11 over 6. And now we can find the 2 local points in here. Next, I will do about fss, fsy, and fyy to consider this about local mass, local mean, or shadow point in here. About this one, we do first the derivative of fs with respect to s. So this one you got about this one only. So you got about 6s. fyy, that's about this one. So you got about number 2. fsy, that means we do first the derivative of f of s with respect to y, and you got about number 2. And we have d equals to fss fyy minus fsy to the power of 2. So we put 6s going here, number 2 going here, number 2 going here, and you got about 12s minus 4. So if I put number 1 going here, you will get about d is about positive, because 12 minus 4 you got about 8. And then about fss, we put number 1 go to 6s, and you got about number 6, and that's about positive. So this boy in here is about local mean. Now let's go to the second one. So we put negative 1/3 go to here, and you got about d is smaller than number 0. So that means this is about shadow boy. This is the end. Thank you for watching.